Welcome dear children to Boya Creation. Let's start Mathematics Standard 4 Part 1 Geometrical Figures. Children, today we are going to learn about angles. Children, if you look in your life, you will see angles around you. Here are some examples are given. See, this is slide, house, tree and electric pole. We see it all around us in our everyday life. We see angles between the ground and the slide. How? Listen carefully. Children, wherever we see two lines meeting, 1 and 2, these two lines meet here. There is an angle. First I draw a line with the ground. This is one line, and second is I draw the line with the slide. See, this one and this one lines meets at this corner and makes angle. Again I draw the line with the ground. This is one line and the second one is with the slide. These two lines meets here in the corner, here at the corner. So these two lines makes an angle. This is ladder. Ladder means CD. See the children, here also I draw a line with the ladder and ground. See, both of these lines meets at this point and makes an angle. Now move on, third picture. We see angles between the tree trunk and its branches like this. Two lines meet here at this point. There is an angle. There is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. See here, electric pole, this line, and with the ground, this one. There is an angle. From this side also we can make an angle. Children, I think now you better understand about angle. In our surroundings, wherever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. Children, collect some pictures in which you can see angles. Mark those angles using a pencil. Next is look at the angles that can be made at your elbow. Right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle.
There are three types of angles. Further we study about it. See this children. Here the picture of window is given. In this picture, these two adjoining sides are together make a right angle. That means we see a right angle between two adjoining sides of a window. If we draw a line from this edge of the book and the other line from the adjacent edge of the book, adjacent means सटा हुआ, लग के. So, two adjacent sides of a book make a right angle.
This is a clock. The small hand is hour hand and the longer hand is minute hand. In a clock at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the minute hand and the hour hand are at right angle to each other. Now hour hand at 9 and the minute hand is on 6. The minute hand and the hour hand are at right angles to each other. This angle is upside down.
Now here is also hour hand and minute hand are at right angles to each other.
See the children. If we open the two blades of the scissor like this, there is a right angle between the two blades of the scissor. This is a right angle. As we reduce the distance between the tips of the blades little by little, the angle between the blades grows smaller than a right angle.
An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle.
This is an acute angle. Children, but as we increase the distance between the tips of the blade, the angle between the blades grows bigger than a right angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. This is an obtuse angle. This is a right angle. Yes, name this angle. Yes, this is an acute angle. The distance grows smaller here than right angle. So, this is an acute angle. This one is, yes, this is an obtuse angle. The distance between grows here bigger than a right angle. So, this is an obtuse angle. Observe the figures below and write right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle in the box below each figure. Children, we have to write the name of the angle here in the box. First we have to find out which angle is this and we have to write the name of this angle.
Children, this angle is smaller than a right angle. So this is an acute angle. Write here an acute angle. Children, these two adjoining lines are straight. So this become a right angle. Write here right angle.
Now see the next figure.
This angle is bigger than a right angle. So this is become an obtuse angle. Write here an obtuse angle.
The direction of this angle is only changed. Distance between these two lines grows bigger than right angle. Then it is also become an obtuse angle. Distance between these two lines grows smaller than right angle. Then it become an acute angle. Children, you have to also draw in notebook and practice it. Next is make right angles by joining the dots in the box below. Children, you see here, in this box dots are given and already 3 right angle is shown here. We join this dot. We can make this like this. This is also right angle. When now by joining these 3 dots, this is straight line for the next line. Then it is also right angle. This angle. Okay. Now next is here. Next is make acute angle by joining the dots. Children, we can make angles in any direction. It could be upside down, left or right. By joining these 3 dots and the distance grows smaller than right angle. It is also an acute angle. Let's join these 3 dots. Then this dot will become a, now these 2 dots join and this one, it also become an acute angle. Join this and join this dot. See this one and like this. Next is make obtuse angles by joining the dots shown in the picture here. 2 obtuse angle is already given. Obtuse angle means when the distance between the 2 lines grows bigger than right angle. See, I join this line. This is right angle, but the distance grows bigger than the right angle. Then it become an obtuse angle. Make a right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle at your elbow. Show these angles to your friends and check theirs. Children, I'll show you to make it.
Keep your hand straight to the shoulder and fold it upward from the elbow. Then which angle it will make? Yes, right children. It will make a right angle.
like this one by folding our hand upward or upside. Which angle will make? See the children. Distance between our hand grows smaller than right angle. Then it become an acute angle. From the elbow, when we move our hand downwards, the distance between our hands grows bigger than right angle. Then it become an obtuse angle. Next question is, check, is this true? We have to read out the sentence and find out that whether this sentence is right, true or false. So let's read first one. The angle an electric pole makes with the ground is a right angle. See what is given? Electric pole makes with the ground right angle. See, this one is electric pole and with the ground it makes right angle. So see, so this sentence is true. Here, true. Next is, the slide makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the ground. Children, we learned it. What is given? Slide makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the ground. Children, as I taught you in this slide, the distance between these two lines grows smaller than right angle. That means it is an acute angle. And the next one is, here the distance grows bigger than right angle. Then it is an obtuse angle. So one acute angle and one obtuse angle from the slide with the ground. So this sentence is also true. Right here, true. Next one is, the ladder makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the wall. Children, see this picture. This is ladder and this is wall of the house. As earlier I taught you, the ladder makes acute angle with the ground. But in this sentence, with the wall is given. So, see, from the wall, I draw here straight line and from here this is one acute angle. But we can't make the angle, obtuse angle. That means only one acute angle we can make from the ladder and the wall. That means the ladder makes only one acute angle from the wall. So this sentence is false. Right. Let's read the next one. The angle between the thorns. Thorns means kante of the bubble tree is an obtuse angle. Children, सबने रोज प्लांट देखा है? We saw a rose plant. रोज प्लांट में भी कांटे होते हैं. वो कांटे स्ट्रेट होते हैं और ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल नहीं बनाते हैं. रोज प्लांट की तरह बबुल के कांटे भी ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल नहीं बनाते हैं. Thorns of the rose plant are straight to its branches and doesn't make an obtuse angle. Same as it is, thorns of the bubble tree also doesn't make an obtuse angle. So this sentence is false. So write here false. Now let's read the next one. Leaving the thumb, the angles between any two adjoining fingers is an acute angle. See the children, by drawing a figure with the help of finger, I'll explain you. Leaving the thumb, the angles between two adjoining fingers is an acute angle or not. I am drawing a line between the fingers. See here, in this figure, the distance grows smaller than right angle. In this figure also, the distance grows smaller than right angle. In this figure also, the distance grows smaller than right angle. So that means all three are an acute angle. That means this sentence become true. Then write here true. See the children. Here an activity is given. Observe in which places in your surroundings you find angles. Make right angles, acute angles and obtuse angles by folding paper. Children, you have to do this activity on your own with the help of your parents. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.